guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and I'm here with my sister Renee, my mom Donna, to show you guys how we make a pickle chick. We're the Pickle Chicks, and we're going to show you how to make a pickle chick sandwich. She named it. We're using Farmrich's crispy dill pickles in the Blackstone air fryer with my pickle marinated, mayo slathered chicken. We're going to show you how we make this. So we're going to start with turning on our Blackstone air fryer to high heat. And then we're going to turn on our griddle top too to get everything preheated. Alright, let's turn that to low heat just to give us some time to prepare our chicken. To start this, we have some chicken breast, boneless chicken breast that I just pounded down really flat to make them all even throughout, and then cut them in half to give me 2 chicken sandwiches. Because once you pound them out, pound the meat out. You have to pound it out and make it nice and thin so that it cooks evenly, and it gets you 2 nice sandwiches. So I leave it in overnight or at least 30 minutes with pickle juice. I save all of my pickle juice whenever I buy jars of pickles to marinate or brine actually my chicken. So we're just going to take that out and put it into a mixing bowl, and we're going to coat it with a little bit of mayo. So we're just patting this dry and making sure not to dump all the chicken into the bowl because we don't want all that pickle juice. We're going to toss that out. Alright, so for this chicken, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning all over this chicken. You could use any kind of seasoning that you want, really, for this. We like the all-purpose season because we're not trying to change up the flavor too much. We're going to add some Duke's mayo, just enough to coat each piece of chicken. Alright, while Mom keeps mixing that up, we're going to grab these Farmrich crispy dill pickle chips, and we're going to stick them right into the air fryer. We love these because they're such a good shortcut. As much as we like making everything homemade and breading our own, it doesn't get better than having them already done for quick summer nights when we have all the kids running around. These pickle chips are going to take just a couple minutes, so we have to hurry up and get to our slaw. So for the pickle chick sandwich, we like to use purple cabbage with some green onion, just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, and you're just going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Hold on. Team effort. Okay, I think we just need about this much because I don't think the kids are actually going to eat theirs with it. I actually did a really fun slaw video with purple cabbage, and the recipe for that is on the Blackstone Products website. That I use the tequila lime seasoning with. That recipe is one of my favorites for fish tacos. I made it with shrimp tacos the last time I posted it. If you haven't seen it yet, go try it. Alright, let's get this chicken on to the Blackstone. Just enough mayo on this to coat each piece lightly so that we don't have to cook with oil. This makes for a really quick dinner. It's kind of like, I guess, your favorite takeout chicken sandwich. I won't say the name, but I know everybody loves them. Can you instantly smell the pickle juice from these chicken breasts? And so this goes a long way when you're pounding out the chicken and getting those 2 pieces of meat for 2 sandwiches out of 1. And you won't have to be guessing when they're done because they're nice and thin and even. So a little bit of green onion. You can use all the way down to about here is what I like. Some people don't like to use this part, some people only like this part, but there's a lot of flavor in here, and we're going to use all of it, right? So chop that up. Alright, so you added in the green onion to the slaw, and now you're just seasoning it with some salt, pepper, and a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of red wine vinegar. Not too much. Do the oil and vinegar. That's good. One more. She's the boss of everything that I do, and yes, you are. She's one of those people that stands over you to make sure you're doing right, just like your mom. Yes, you do. All right, so we have to make this porky sauce, and you're always really good at that. Duke's mayo and just the prepared horseradish, the one that comes from the refrigerated section in the grocery store. Don't get the one that's in the center aisles. That's warm and this is the one that you want. This is so much better. So just mix those two up. What do you do? Equal parts?
Just eyeball it.
Yeah, start with less horseradish
Like
and
a little bit like this.
Go more. You like it? Should we do a Todd and let's give it a try? Cue Todd's face.
Let's give it a try.
Perfect.
That's a lot of horseradish.
We do salt and pepper.
Paprika's not in the living room.
I love having help when we cook and eat because we really have so many people to feed. All the kids running around. Paprika. That is perfect. So we did just pretty much equal parts mayo with horseradish, and you added what?
Salt, pepper, paprika.
Yes, perfect. Okay, all right, let's flip these real fast because they look so perfect. Let me see underneath them. Oh my gosh. That is from the mayo. So we're just going to move the chicken over to make just a little bit of room for our buns to toast up perfectly. And we're going to toast those buns right into that leftover mayo grease that's left behind. Alright, so since we went to two different stores because I wasn't sure how many people were coming tonight, and I had to make a quick run to get more chicken this morning. I didn't go to the same store, so we have two different rolls, potato roll and brioche buns, and you can pick which one you want. I want that one. So we're just going to stick them into that leftover mayo grease, and it will make the perfect crust. If you don't have a lot left over on your griddle, then just you can add some.
Move them around.
Yeah, we have 3 different cheeses that I like. Usually every time we make these, we kind of switch it up. So, Mom, could you grab that cheese? We have our pickles in the warming tray now. The chicken is just about done. Everything's on low. I'm not very organized right now. The cheese, everything? Ma, where'd you go with the cheese? You can't just leave. Drink break. Drink break? We had her do a shot of tequila to wake her up, and now she's all, what do you call it? Bumbleita. What does bumbleita? Get over here and tell me what bumbleita means. Drink that shot.
Yeah, it's like your cockeye. Great.
In Italian,
Yeah,
cockeye. Bumbleita.
Like not walking straight.
Cheese. This one is cheddar, Munster.
Yellow American.
Everybody's gonna get a surprise today.
It's a mixture of Munster and cheddar. I wish you boys knew how to hold the camera. Mom, you're not making the cheese look pretty. What the hell are you doing?
It's getting soft.
Bumbleweed! We're going to take these buns off. Let me see what they look like. Ooh, like perfection with nothing on them. Winner chicken dinner. Are we doing slaw on the bottom or top?
On the top. Pickles next. Here, shoot. No,
Let me see them. Let me see them. Oh yes, they look so good.
One.
I saved so much time.
It's hot. So then look, watch this. A little bit of forget about it. Here's a little how you doing.
It's hard tomorrow. Let me see that bun. Oh my, hold on. Oh my gosh.
So good.
And we didn't even put mayo on it because that was all the leftover.
You don't need it.
Perfection.
You get what you get, and we don't want to hear no whining.
Oh my gosh. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Find my phone! I don't know. Can we take a drink break just for a second? She's ready for a beer now.
I'm hot.
It's time to try them. Who wants to try them? Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Family food and fun. Well, I hope you guys try this one. I hope you guys make it from my family to yours. Make it, post it, share it, tag Blackstone Betty, tag Blackstone Products. This recipe will be up on the website. And until next time, bye. Recording. Just come over here. Sorry, CJ.
Oh, is he on?
No, he's not on the camera.
Pickle chicks.
All right, take 2. Hey guys, it's
Just pickle chick.
a
You're
pickle chick.
chick.
No, not you.
Just one.
We're the pickle chicks.
Yeah, but you told us. Okay.
Mayo marinated. No. Oh God, there's a stink bug on the freaking camera. How the hell did that get there? It's looking me in the eye. Look at it.